Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are like a to-do list for the world to make sure everyone has a better future. There are 17 goals in total, and they focus on solving big problems like poverty, education, climate change, and taking care of our planet. One of these goals is SDG 15, Life on Land. It's all about protecting and restoring land ecosystems like forests, animals, and plants. It's important because this is where we depend on nature for food, clean air, water, and even protection from climate change. If we don't take care of our land now, it will be harder to solve other problems in the future.
Across the globe, we are witnessing an alarming environmental crisis. Vast areas of land are being degraded, stripped of nutrients, and rendered barren due to overuse, pollution, and unsustainable farming. Forests, which one theme with life, are being cleared at an unprecedented rate, pushing countless species to the brink of extinction. This deforestation not only destroys ecosystem but also accelerates climate change. Biodiversity is vanishing as habitats disappear, ecosystem collapse, and delicate food chains unravel. These aren't distant problems, they are unfolding right now, impacting our air, water, and future. If we don't act, the damage could be irreversible.
SDG 15 or Sustainable Development Goal 15 is all about protecting life on land. This means taking actions to prevent the expansion of deserts, halting the destruction of forests, and safeguarding endangered plants and animals. It's a multifaceted effort that involves large-scale trees planting initiatives, the creation of protected areas like national parks and reserves to preserve biodiversity hotspots, and supporting local communities in developing sustainable economic practices that don't damage the environment. So the ultimate goal is a healthy planet teeming with life, and this requires a collaborative global effort where individuals, governments, and organizations work together to achieve a sustainable future for all. So success depends on everyone contributing to the preservation of our precious natural resources and ecosystems.
The Republic Act No. 7586 or the National Interrogated Protected Area System Act
protects important public lands and waters in the Philippines to conserve biodiversity and ensure sustainable resources use. It's classified protected areas like nature reserve and parks. The DNR manage these areas, enforce rules, involve communities, and requires environmental assessment for nearby activities.
This law was enacted in 1992 to conserve the country's rich biodiversity by establishing protected areas like forests, mountains, and marine zones. It ensured that these are managed and preserved for the benefit of the present and the future generation. The law prohibits harmful activities such as logging, mining, and land conversion in these zones. It's also involved local communities in protection effort promoting sustainable development while safeguarding natural resources.
Are you ready to breathe easier? To feel the sun on your face in a cleaner, healthier world? Life on land is amazing, but it needs our help. We're facing challenges, but the good news is, even small actions make a huge difference. Let's discover how you can help and help yourself. First, plant a tree. It's a simple act with a massive impact. Trees clean the air, provide habitats, and beautify our planet. Next, ditch the plastic. Reduce your waste by choosing reusable bags, water bottles, and containers. Every little bit helps. Next is to support businesses that care. Choose companies committed to sustainability and don't forget the power of volunteering. Spend an hour, a day, or a weekend helping local conservation efforts. So join the movement, let's make a stand, a greener future hand in hand.
Life on land is all about loving our forests and keeping nature alive. But right now, forests are shrinking and animals are losing their homes. We are also fighting desertification and unhealthy ecosystems. But we can change that by planting trees, protecting wildlife, and loving the land.